Wellste channel. In our daily life, the most common surface treatment types are anodizing and powder coating. Both of them have good finish effects, but they have significant differences. Now, Wellste takes you to comparison. This is the powder coating sample. This is the anodizing sample. 1. Process comparison. Powder coating uses the tools to spray onto the metal surface, which anodizing involves the immersing aluminum profiles in solution for oxidizing. 2. Corrosion Resistance Comparison. Powder coating is a physical treatment, which anodizing is a chemical treatment. Anodizing forms a durable oxide film, offering superior corrosion resistance than powder coating. 3. Surface finish comparison. Powder coating does not require aluminum surface quality. It can cancel some surface defects, but anodizing can't. 4. Color operation comparison. Anodizing has few color operations, but powder coating allows for many colors, making the metal surface more decorative. 5. Color fading resistance comparison. Powder coating colors are easy to fade. Anodizing is more durable because it has a specific thickness and film structures, rather than relying on the external coating. 6. Cost comparison. Commonly, anodizing aluminum is more expensive than powder coating because it has the strong wear resistance, weather resistance, and corrosion resistance. 7. Durability cooperation. Anodizing is more durable than powder coating. It has a dense and oxide layer while powder coating does not. So powder coating is more susceptible to damage and peeling. Last, applications cooperation. Anodizing is commonly used for anodizing doors and windows, automotive components, and electronic products casings. It is against corrosion and can achieve various coloration effects. Powder coating is widely applied to industries like furniture, automotive, and construction to achieve different colors and decorative effects. Contact Wellste now and let our engineers guide you towards perfect solutions.